Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
He dropped it.
Guns on the ground. Guns on the ground.
March 10th, 2026, 1826, Alsace Avenue. A noise complaint is usually a minor headache for police, but here it was the spark for a violent standoff. This 911 call shows just how fast a normal morning can spiral out of control.
LA City 911, operator 789.
Hi, I need to report a man with a gun, and I went outside and asked him to, lower his music on his car, and he pulled a gun out on me, and I went.
What's the address there? Okay, and is the person still there? Did they leave?
They're still here. They've got a black car. They're parked outside on the opposite side of the street.
So they're across from that address?
Yes.
And then it was the driver that pulled a gun on you?
Yes, he pulled the gun out. He has a gun.
Was he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He was black.
And then do you see about how old he looked by chance, like 20s, 30s, 40s?
Yeah, he's probably about 20s or early 30s.
And then did you see what color shirt he had on?
I think it was maybe a white shirt. Black shirt, maybe, I don't know.
Well, sure, it's Buffalo DW, suspect there now, 18 Alsace Avenue, 18 Alsace Avenue, parked across the location in a black four-door vehicle. Suspect is a driver, male black, mid-20s, early 30s, no further, pulled a gun on PR. Scope 3 incident 0732RD774, Will Street, handling it away.
Now the report meets reality. This is where a story becomes a high-stakes felony verification. One confirmation changes the entire rules of engagement.
How you doing, sir?
What's up?
Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, he's just over here parked. I guess he lives nearby, maybe.
Okay.
I feel like. But yeah, loud as music pretty early. So I just came out to be like, hey, you mind turning that down? And I was kind of just all get out, and he just was hyped up, really loud, yelled at me, and I was like, hey, you doing all right? Yeah, no, and I never had it, but yeah, he pulled a gun on me, so I was like, oh. So
Did you see the gun?
Oh yeah, kind of like a healthier, like a fatter, kind of like pistol. So we cruised on back.
Did he point it at you, or did he just show it to you?
Like that.
Okay, so he showed it to you.
Okay.
Brandished it. Okay.
Is this, does it say his address?
I believe it's this. I believe it's the car registered this building before. You want to double check on the screen though?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
The intel is in?
Yeah.
Now they have to close the distance. A closed door is the ultimate coin flip. You are walking into their world, and they get to decide how the day ends.
Right now,
Come on out.
I'm gonna need you to come out right now.
You think I give a what the happened? Come on out, man. Hey, we want to talk to you. That's all it is, man. Come out.
Get the bucket at me at the
Come on out.
Get the bucket at me at the Let's go. Come on, let's go. You might as well get the blasting, bro.
We're not going to do that. We just want to talk to you, man.
God, you ain't never give you. Get the blasting.
Yeah.
Hey, come on out. Just come on out. What's your name?
You don't give a my name is you white trash, you Mexican pig.
Come on out, man. We just want to talk to you.
You ain't never gave a where you
Actually, I've been here before.
You never gave a shut the with that.
Yeah.
Shut the
You never gave a
I'll just be deployed
You
back,
know
sir.
calm and
Yeah.
cool. You never done my life. You ain't never gave a
Hey, so let's redeploy. All right. Let's see what we're gonna do. Yep.
You may as well pull that gun and just go.
All right. Is there any other exit?
He's coming out.
Come on out, bro.
Come on out, man.
Get the butt.
Put that gun away. Put that gun away right now.
Verbal compliance is dead on arrival. At this point, the suspect is no longer negotiating. He is looking for a trigger. When someone starts begging for a shootout, the entire threat level resets to red.
Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun.
He dropped it. He
Guns
dropped
on the
it.
ground. Guns on the ground.
I shot two. I shot two.
Jamil, just keep your hands up.
I got the gun.
Keep your hands up. Jamil, keep your hands up. Out of the way. We'll call out. We'll call out. We're gonna help you, okay?
Jamil Basheer survived that shot to the jaw, but now he's facing a mountain of felony charges. The weapons they found: a 6-inch folding knife and a CO2 air pistol that looks exactly like a Glock 19. Look, in that dim morning light, you can't tell it's plastic until it's already in an evidence bag. Cops don't have to wait to get shot to prove a threat is real. They just have to act on what they see in that split second. The truth is, this was never about loud music. Basheer was using the police to end his own life, a textbook case of suicide by cop. It's a harsh reminder that for these officers, there's no such thing as a routine call. Everything can change in a heartbeat. So, was this a mental health crisis gone wrong? Or did these officers do exactly what they were trained to do? Drop a comment and let me know your take. If you want the raw truth behind the body cam, hit that subscribe button for Blue Line Raw. Thanks for hanging out and stay safe.